Hello everyone, this is Gloria from Multi-Suite Group. Today we will introduce you Hive tool and knives. Hive tool and knives are very important for beekeepers. Here we will introduce you various Hive tools and knives. First, we can check Hive tools. Here are two types of Hive tools. Both of them called chisel with woody handle Hive tools. For this Hive tool, there's two differences. This one is with hook, and this one is flat shaped. This is American type Hive tool. The material is stainless steel. We can also have your logo on the Hive tool. We have a look. Also, we can pitch color on Hive tool. For example, we can pitch into red color. Also, we can pitch into yellow color. For this, will be easily to find out where you put Hive tool in somewhere. The next, we will introduce you J-hook Hive tool. Please can you have a look. Here is sample type stainless steel Hive tool. The usage for all Hive tools is first, apart from the deep box and the super box. Second, is used to scrape the wax from the frames and the Hive box. Second, we will talk about honey scraper. We now have three types honey scraper: shape C honey scraper and serrated honey scraper. The third one is one side blade and one side serrated honey scraper. The usage for honey scraper is used to scrape the wax from frames and Hive box. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.